Okay, so have you ever thought about taking all that stuff you know, all your skills, your expertise, and actually turning it into a source of income? Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do that. We're creating and selling your very first digital product, step by step. Let's dive in. I mean, that's the dream, isn't it? For pretty much any creator. To build something one time and then have it make you money 24/7. That is the real power of digital products. You're creating a system that works for you, even when you're not working. So what exactly is a digital product? Super simple. It's anything that exists in a digital file. And the benefits here are just huge. Think about it. You have zero inventory to worry about, you never have to deal with shipping costs or logistics, and you can sell the exact same file over and over and over again. It's incredible. Now, to make all this happen, you're going to need a simple but powerful tool. For this guide, we're going to focus on Beacons.ai. It's basically an all-in-one platform built just for creators like you, so you can sell things right from your social media without needing to be some kind of tech genius or web developer. First things first, we need to set up your digital storefront. And you are going to be shocked at how fast this is. Seriously, we're not talking about days or even hours to get this done. We're literally talking about a few minutes. The number one question is always, okay, but what could I sell? And look, the possibilities are pretty much endless. You could sell ebooks, how-to guides, templates for things like Notion or Canva. You could even sell AI prompt packs, video courses, you name it. Whatever your niche is, there is a way to package up your knowledge. And getting started is just so simple. This is the entire process right here. Just 4 steps. You create your account, you set up your store page, that's where your products are going to live, you customize it to match your brand, and then you just connect a way to get paid, like Stripe or PayPal. And that's it. You are officially in business. So with your store all set up and ready to go, it is time for the really exciting part, launching that first product. And we're going to focus on how to build a product listing that doesn't just sit there, but one that actually convinces people to click buy. It all starts with the title. This is your first impression. You got to make it count. It needs to be clear, it needs to be specific, and most importantly, it has to be about the benefit for the customer. The TikTok 30-day growth blueprint works because it's not just a guide, it's a promise of growth in a specific amount of time. That's what makes people interested. Listen, this right here is so important. Your description is not a list of features. It's about selling the outcome, the transformation. You're not just selling them a PDF. You're selling them confidence or more free time or a new skill. You have to paint a picture of how their life will be better after they use your product. And the last piece of the puzzle is, of course, the actual file itself. You just upload your PDF or your video or your template, and here's the magic. Beacons takes care of the delivery for you completely automatically. The second someone buys, that file is sent right to them. You don't have to do a thing. Okay, your product is live. That's amazing. But now let's talk about building a true passive income stream. This part is all about automation, setting up a sales engine that just runs on its own 24/7 so you don't have to. Just think about it from the customer's point of view. The moment they make a purchase, they get an instant email confirmation and the product is delivered to them right away. It's a super smooth, professional experience, and it's completely hands-off for you. That's how you get happy customers who come back for more. So how do you actually get people to your store? Well, that's where your content comes in. Your strategy here is really simple. You identify a specific problem or a pain point that your audience has, and then you position your digital product as the shortcut, the fast and easy solution to that problem. And where do you put the link to your brand new store? Everywhere. Your link in bio is your new digital storefront. So put that link on your TikTok, on your Instagram, put it in your YouTube descriptions, anywhere you have an audience. You want to make it as easy as possible for people to find you and buy from you. All right. So you've launched, and maybe some sales are starting to trickle in. That is fantastic. But what's next? Well, the final step is to scale. This is where we shift from just running a little store to building a real digital business. To do that, you gotta know your numbers. Inside the Beacons analytics, one of the most important things to look at is your conversion rate. All this tells you is what percentage of people who visit your store actually buy something. Understanding this one number is the key to unlocking more growth. Once you know your rate, you can start making smart decisions to improve it. If it's a little low, maybe you can test out a new product thumbnail, or you could try adjusting the price or running a special discount. A really powerful strategy is to offer bundles and upsells to get more value out of every single sale. And yeah, bundling is a perfect example of this. It's a total game changer. Instead of just selling one template, you could offer a whole creator starter bundle that has templates and guides. Your customer gets way more value and you increase how much money you make per order. It's a complete win-win. Let's end with this because it just perfectly sums up this whole journey. It all starts with what you already know. Then your social media becomes more than just a place for content. It becomes your storefront. And through that simple system, the digital assets you create become a real, reliable stream of income. The only question left is, what do you don't create first?